Welcome to Our First English Vocabulary Quiz Challenge. You've been learning tons of useful words with us. So now, it's time to put your knowledge to the test. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. To boost your vocabulary even more, make sure to watch the playlist in the description. Are you ready? The objects are
dissolving,
good job. What is this called?
sun halo,
That's right. Do you know this baby animal?
Joey,
Well done. Do you know this country?
Italy,
You know everything. What is this called?
jellyfish,
That's right. Can you guess this food by emojis?
barbecue,
You nailed it. What is this called?
ampersand,
You rock. What are these called?
sandpaper,
Good job. What is he doing?
shouting,
Congrats. What is this called?
bobby pin,
You're the best. What is he doing on ice?
slipping,
You're the best. Do you know this animal?
peacock,
Great job. What is this called?
tongs,
You are amazing. Do you know this movie?
inside out,
That's right. What is this called?
swing,
Way to go. What is this called?
grater,
Well done. What is this called?
frost flower,
Great job. Niece and nephew are.
nibblings,
You are the best. What are these called?
screws,
Good job. What is he doing?
crackling the egg,
You rock. What is this called?
eyebrow,
You are amazing. The lights are.
Flickering.
That's right. What are these called?
Skittles.
Good job. What is this called?
Firefly.
You're the best. What is this called?
Plum.
You rock. Subscribe for more.